Today, I wanted to jump in and focus in on how we can organize our modules, both for our students and for us to kind of keep everything organized. Now, the first thing we're going to be diving into our earth science class here. One of the things I wanted to point out that helps me visualize things is the use of the indentations to be able to organize and see how these different layers can be used for us to be able to quickly find what it is that we're looking for. So for example, mine is laid out by unit. I've got some of these text headers here that can be added in that just kind of break up the information for us and for our students. But as we get down here to the lesson plan and the pages that we have for them to learn, and then we get into the activities, you'll notice that there's indentations here between each of these, right? So we have a page here for the lesson plan, a page that's slightly out more for the actual informational page, and then slightly out farther are the assignments. And now I make use of these to be able to organize not only the assignments, the pages and even the assessments, even one step farther in terms of the indents. Now, if you already have yours organized the way you would like and you want to implement these new indentations, here's what we can do. Over on this far side, we have our 3 dots for each of these, including our text header. So it doesn't have to just be a page or an activity. But if we select this, we can scroll down to the options and we can choose to increase or decrease the indent. So we can see if I decrease the indent here, it's going to move it back in line with this lesson plan. And if I want to offset it, I can increase that indentation. Now, we have only 3 layers of indenting. So this would be our first layer, our second layer, and we could even move this starter out just to showcase what this third layer would look like. And most of the time I reserve this for any quizzes or major assignments that they have. This way the students can quickly look at this. We can quickly look at this and see how many activities do I have? How many of these assessments do I have? And it's a real quick, easy way for us to be able to look at our modules and see how they've been organized so that we can look into how many different types of items do I have present in my module. So just another quick little thing to keep in mind as we are creating our Canvas to be better organized for us and for our learners.